The female learner got it back. Let me inflate the tires. I looked at the tires. Are you out of breath? Let's lie down. Usually the front air shock absorber is leaking. The shock absorber and tire air are different. Now the shock absorbers have to be removed and checked. If it's broken, you have to change it. Change one for about 10,000 yuan. Well, you can fix it back. Then he called his husband over. Her husband came over and said you should take it down first. After removing it, it was determined that it was the problem of the shock absorber. Just fix it. It's too expensive to change. I haven't even started yet. Her husband paid me 500 yuan in advance. He also whispered to me, don't reason with his wife, as shock absorbers are all made of rubber. Generally, it will age and crack after more than 5 years. There is generally no need to replace the main layer. We will repair it back. Just put on new leather. There is also a new set of first-class seals. We can solve this problem. After installation, each strip must be pressed and tested. Do you approve of such repairs? Discuss in the comment area. The repaired shock absorber is loaded directly into the car. You can leave a message in the comment area to discuss.